Need an excuse to shake a wand decorated with sequins and ribbons around and not have people look at you like you're missing a few marbles? Thanks to the Patriotic summer holidays, Memorial Day, the 4th of July, Labor Day, you've got one. And we have just the Patriotic Parade wand to make. It's tons of fun to craft, but even more fun to use. Between performances, you can stick it into your potted plants, along your lawn, or in your garden as a decoration. Choose a weekend afternoon before the holidays begin. Set up a long table out in the warm sun. Have families contribute to the needed supplies. And make it a fun get-together. Adults can help little hands with some of the steps. Why should the kids have all the fun? Hot glue guns are the bomb when it comes to crafting, minus the occasional finger burn. We made our wands with wooden dowels, but PVC pipe is a good choice too, especially if you plan on using your wands as decorations.